Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. That's my thumb. Ouch, 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 ouch. Heal!
We just took the head bolts out just to see if the head will come off it, and it fucking spins. But it's obviously topping out up there, look. Top dead centre, it's hitting the fucking top of the cylinder. Fucking lifting it up, look. Oh, you fucker.
So, Jacob has just dissected his M32. This came in absolutely red hot the other day. We mesh modded it. Start that again. We mesh modded it, trying to save the grass going in and everything else, and all it did was pull up there, start the engine, got red hot, and bosh! Go on, Jacob. Put your first hole in a piston, lad. Put it there. Ooh.
Proud father moment there, guys.
Go on, Jacob. Anyway, while we're here, look, let's have a look at Jacob's buggy build. It's to his buggy. Look, truck arms, GTB thingies on the thingies, all the links, and on the back, look.
Well, Ricky, mate, buddy, pal, brother, I've not managed to blow the OBR up. Sorry, mate. But in other news, Jacob has managed to blow the M32 up because I was egging him on to do it. I was like, "God, fast that boy!" He's like, "Dad, it's hot." I was like, "Send it!" Yeah, let's have a look what he's done.
So I hope you're happy. Popped a hole in there, look. Smashed the end of that off. Ring was seized. He split the crankcase just to get all the crap out of it, really. Which you've done a good job there, mate, to be fair, ain't you? How long's that took you? About an hour?
Yeah.
We actually seized it because all the grass stuck around the bloody mesh mod, it couldn't breathe. Got it too hot. But, talking of mesh mod, we've got a fix for this. So I'll keep you posted. Oh wow, something big happened in there, look. Whoa! What? That must have been the impact of when the piston hit the top. Because as you can see in there, look, the piston's hit the top of that.
Probably a little bit too far on the squish, mate.
Yeah.
Well, some lessons are harder to learn than others, but well and truly learnt there, mate, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jacob is going to try and clean this head up. Hopefully we can get some joy out of it. If not, you need a new head, mate.
Yeah.
You might as well get the full kit. What they are. Get in, Jacob. Is run it that hot?
Might say so, I must add. Jacob never runs hot, and I've been ripping him for about 2 weeks now, saying, "Come on, you pussy, you're in every 5 minutes, let me car cool down." Yeah, turns out Jacob knows destiny.
But look, it's got that hot. Have you ever one of them? No. Ooh. This is the before, and this would be the after. Smooth as a baby's arse. Don't look it, but it is. So smooth now. Pretty nice. Right, so Jacob's rebuilt this completely. It feels really good. Oh well, I've not even pulled it actually. So I might be lying. Jacob says it feels really good. Now it's time for a little bench test. Only that bench is full. And that bench is full. Oh, what have you got down there? You got a petrol tank. Oh, let's have a look. Get it plugged in, lad. Bringing in the bottom one for today. Yes. No, you can hold this. I'll try and get this puppy started. Yeah, she's good. Come on, baby. Do you think she will?
Yeah.
Let's give her all the chance in the world. There she comes. Will it start there with the filler bit? What's the other one like? Oh! Recently discovered that my dog likes stuffing, and yeah, let's go. And she likes stuffing, but a rubber paper thing in the wheel. Oh! Shall I do it?
Just putting the rubbish out for the minute.
Don't know what happened there, but it was good.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.